On Saturday, October 31st, on a rough patch of road along Route 60 in Kanawha County, transportation workers from District 1 gathered with Scott Kelly's paving crew from District 3 and the new paver from District 9 and Arlie Matney from District 10, who will soon be leading a drilling crew to install a piling wall to permanently repair Route 60. Why pave first? In this case, the road was too rough to find an even place to sit the drill. So with teamwork and ingenuity, it's a smoother, safer drive today while WVDOH crews prepare to bring in the drills and fix the long-standing problem.
We're actually here on US 60 and we have an active slip going on. It's pretty rough right now, and what I've actually done, I've had our crews to come in and improve the drainage. There was a water problem, and our guys have came in and pulled the ditch, opened the drains, and has actually got the water away from the slide. So that's going to be a big help starting off.
This heavily traveled area of Route 60 near Cedar Grove, we have emergency personnel, we have people coming to and from work, whether it's Montgomery, Charleston, or in between. And this heavily traveled road being paved and fixed is going to be much safer for everybody.
I think the majority of the guys on the ground are really looking forward with learning a new skill and a new way to fix that is as professional as any contractor, and they do good work. They do it a whole lot more inexpensive. And they have something, when they leave there, they have something to look at that they can be proud of, that yes, we fixed a problem that's been there for a while.